crackling fire, golden crust, molten cheese. We're exploring regional pizza styles in a whirlwind minute. Start in New York, home to thin, foldable slices, all about the balance of crust, sauce, and cheese. Jet over to Chicago for their deep dish, a hefty pie-like structure, brimming with cheese, chunky tomato sauce, and toppings. Zigzag to Detroit, where rectangular pizzas reign, boasting crispy, caramelized cheese edges. Hop the pond to Italy, where Naples cradles the birthplace of pizza. Thin, soft, slightly charred crust, simple fresh ingredients, cooked in a wood-fired oven. But wait, there's more, like California style with its focus on fresh local ingredients, or St. Louis with its cracker-thin crust and unique Provolone cheese. Pizza, a global language of deliciousness, diverse as the regions they hail from. 1 minute, multiple slices of heaven. That's your whirlwind pizza tour. Loop back for another bite.